Hello my wonderful people out there. You're once again welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. And in today's class, it's all about word problems on ratio. We're going to solve some problems regarding ratio. Now, number one says Olu and Garba shared 120 stamps in the ratio of 2:3. How many stamps does each have? So we are to calculate the number of stamps Olu is having and number of stamps is Garba having. Okay, the first thing to do is, since they share the ratio in the ratio of 2:3, add the two ratios together. Quickly, you add the 2 plus 3, it will give us 5. So once you add the two ratios together, it gave us 5. Now, this is the stamps that both of them shared. So we divide this 120. Therefore, 120 divided by the total number of the ratio, divide by 5. So 12 divided by 5, or 5 will go into 12, it will give us 2. Remember 2. Place the 2 behind 0, it becomes 20. 5 into 20 is 24. Now, for this 24, we have to multiply each ratios that they shared. Now, we have, which implies, for this 2, which belongs to Olu, for Olu share, Olu stamps is equals to, now we multiply 24 multiplied by 2 for Olu, because they mentioned Olu, so this 2 ratio belongs to Olu. 24 times 2 will give us 48 stamps. This is for Olu. Why for Garba? Why for Garba stamps is equals to the same 24 multiplied by 3. This is for Garba. Multiplied by 3. 3 times 4, it will give us 12. Right, to carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus the 1, 72. So Garba is having total stamps of 72, while Olu have 48 stamps. Now, let's look at number 2. Anna and Chima are to share a sum of money in the ratio of 2:5. Anna obtains 1,000 naira. What is Chima's share? The same thing, but this one is quite different because we are giving the Anna's share. So we have to find Chima's share of the money. Now, since 1,000 belongs to Anna, and Anna is first mentioned, so 2 ratio belongs to Anna, while 5 ratio belongs to Chima. So we are using 1,000, this is Anna's share, 1,000 naira divided by 2, the 2 that belongs to her. 1,000 divided by 2 will give us 500 naira. But since we are looking for Chima's share, therefore we have to multiply 500 multiplied by 5. This is 5. This 5 belongs to Chima. So equals to 500 times 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. So therefore we have 2,500 naira. So this is Chima's share, which is 2,500, while Anna's share is 1,000 naira. Okay, look at number 3, which says the ratio of boys to girls is 5:6 in a class. If there are 20 boys in the class, how many pupils are in the class? Now, the boys having 5 ratio and the girls having 6. Now they say if there are 20 boys, so which means for the boys which have 5 ratio is having their total number is 20. The same thing, if you're giving a particular value or number for boy or girl or for that particular ratio, and you're not giving the other ratio, first thing to do is pick up the total number, which is 20, divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. Now, we have to multiply this 4 by the ratio for girls, so that we get for the girls. Now, for girls is equals to 4 multiply, we are multiplying this 4 by the ratio, which is for girls. 6, 4 times 6 will give us 24. This is the total number of girls. Now, but the question say, they say how many pupils are in the class. So we have to add the total number of boys, which is 20, with 24 girls. Now the total number, or the total pupils in the class is equals to 24 girls plus 20 boys will give us 44 pupils. 44 pupils in the class. So this is the answer for number 3. So number 4 says we should share 9,000 oranges between David and Usman in the ratio 1:2. We have to share. This number 4 is similar to number 1. If you understand number 1, you should be able to solve number 4. While number 5 said Toro and Titi share a sum of money in the ratio 2:3. Toro obtains 15,000 naira. What is Titi share? This one looks like number 2 of my example. If you follow my number 2 example, it will help you solve it. 2 traders shared some of bags of rice in the ratio 2:3. If the smaller share is 14,000 bags, find the other share. The same thing with number 2 or 3 that we solved. So if you follow the example, I believe you will get it right. Hey, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that right away. Share, like, comment, and God will bless you. Thank you, and bye-bye.